welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to discuss and show you all about port forwarding. You use port forwarding to, or for instance if you're hosting your own website, if you want to use a remote application or remotely access your computer, the idea is that we're going to forward a port number to your specific PC. So for starters we need to find out some information. So to do that, I want you to click on the bottom left start. In the search function I want you to type run, R-U-N. I want you to click on this one here. Once this opens, I want you to type CMD, that's C for cat, M for Mary, D for dog, click OK. Once you're in, next thing I want you to type is ipconfig, so ipconfig, enter. So what this does is give you the information that we're going to need. For starters, we want to find the gateway, so look for your default gateway. Mine's 10.0.0.138. That is the IP address that we're going to whack in the browser to get access to our gateway. So let's go back to the browser. In the browser type 10.0.0.138. Like I said, everybody's IP will be different, as will everybody's gateway or router. They're not all going to be the same, so from this point on yours may look different to this. In most cases it will. So if it's not similar to mine, as we go through these instructions you may need to Google it and find your specific router or gateway. Otherwise, for mine I go into the toolbox, and what we're looking for is game and application sharing. Okay, from here you see the devices and the games or applications. We're going to create a new one. I'll call this test port. We're going to manually, test port 1, and manually enter the port maps. Okay, we're now going to put in the port range. I'm going to make one up. Let's call it 1100. Actually, we'll call it 1000. We're now going to also add it, so the port range, it's just one port, 1000 to 1000. We're also going to add it in here where it's translate to, and add it. Okay, once you've created the game or application, we then want to assign the game to your PC. So to do that on my gateway, you find your application, test port, and then you assign it to a device. In my case it's been PC, and add. Now that's done. Now what you need to do is you need to configure the port on the application that you wish to use, whether it is a remote accessing software, it's your website, FTP server. You just need to, when you create that application, just make sure you use the port forwarding method I've showed you here. Thank you for watching.